Hey y'all, it's Stephanie, and we have a good fun video to y'all today. So as y'all know, I've been doing keto for a long time. So today we are going to do a head-to-head snack challenge. Let's go. So give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you know when we upload the next video. So in today's video, we are going to do a head-to-head snack challenge with the Slim Fast Keto Fat Bombs. These are the caramel cups. They run about $9.98. And these are the Equate snack bombs. These are the caramel cups. They run about $7.98. So $2 difference. So are they the same? Are they different? We're gonna get into that. Okay, so first, as you can see, I have already opened them. So we're gonna grab one of each out. They are in their sealed packages, so we'll set that aside. We are going to look at the nutrition facts. So they both have 8 grams of fat, 6 grams of saturated fat, 35 grams of carbohydrate or of sugar, sodium, 7 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, which gives it, and 3 grams of erythritol, which is a sugar alcohol. So 7 minus 6 is 1. And 1 gram of protein. They have pretty much the exact same breakdown, except for calcium. The Slim Fast ones has 227 grams, and the Equate ones have 230 grams, milligrams, not grams, milligrams of calcium. So this one has more calcium. Potassium, this one has 40 milligrams, and this one has 42. Let's look at the top. Okay, so chocolate coating, unsweetened chocolate, cocoa butter, insulin, erythritol, you know, the normal stuff, stevia leaf extract. And does this have the same thing? Milk chocolate. It's cocoa butter, erythritol, cocoa liquor. Okay, so there are some difference. They do have, both have stevia. They both have medium chain triglycerides. So they are pretty much almost the same. This one, they both come with 14 in each one, and of course, you know. So we're gonna go name brand versus off brand, or well, Walmart brand, Equate. Okay, so let's start with these kind of got a little bit melted, so excuse me for that. We're gonna start with the Slim Fast one, and both of them got melted, so they're both in the same situation. All right, so okay. Got chocolate all over. All right. Now for the Equate ones. See, they're melted too. Definitely a difference. This one's more creamier. Have y'all ever had those Lindt chocolates? How the outside is like a hard shell and the inside's like super creamy. The chocolate and the caramel on this one tastes like the inside of the Lindt, the Lindor truffles. You know what I'm talking about? They're like hard on the outside, and then whenever you get to the middle, they like melt in your mouth. That's what these ones taste like. This one has a little bit more texture to it. a little bit more of an actual authentic chocolate taste. Well, I mean, they both taste like chocolate, just different types of chocolate. This one tastes like those little Easter eggs. You know those, you get $1 bag of Easter eggs around Easter. They're just the little milk chocolate eggs. That's what this one reminds me of. And this one reminds me of the inside of the Lindor truffles. It even melts similarly. I'm gonna have to give this to the plate. There's an off taste in the Slim Fast ones. It just ain't for me. I mean, I'll still eat them. They're not bad. They just don't have, like this one tastes like a Lindor truffle on the inside. And this one has like an aftertaste in it. Like, I don't know what it is, like a powdery, like they're not bad, they're just not as good. So this is wins. This one comes in a tight second. Let me know if there's anything else you want to try. That's the end of today's video. But yeah, so we can try keto snacks. We can try anything you want. You know, as long as it's on my diet. But yeah, so I'm definitely going with the Equate on this one. Not only are they $2 cheaper, but they actually taste better. These ones are fine. They're not my favorite, but they're not completely bad. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.